Hi YouTube! We're gonna do a quick package opening because I just got a package. Plus, every time I open one of these, it helps me just in case I don't get one of my items from Aliexpress. That way I can send it to the people and I have proof that I didn't get what I got in the package. So, we're gonna open this and see what it is. Okay, so we got, what is that? Oh, I know what it is. It's these thingies. They're supposed to be, what are they called? Legwarmers. Okay, so that's what they look like. And I just thought these were really cute and unique. And they come with these things that go up here. So it's going to look like that. And those are the Legwarmers. So that's what that looks like. This is the package. It says blood supply. I don't even know. So we're gonna just, here's my review on these. So it stretches like slightly up here, but like the rest of the material doesn't stretch. So it's just like tight. So this is the only part that stretches. Hopefully it'll fit my leg. So I'm going to see if it fits. I'm nervous. Okay, it does fit. Hooray! And then you put the little belt on. And then it just goes like that. So yeah. I'd say I'd rate these 6 out of 10. Just because the material doesn't stretch like I thought it'd be stretchier, which it doesn't really matter because it still fits, but like, I mean, they're still really cute. They're just like newspaper. It kind of reminds me of like the Bratz. That's why I kind of got it. So I was going to wear these with the skirts that I got, but unfortunately I didn't even get my skirts yet. I don't know where they're at. So yeah. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.